Okay, this is teaching a dog catch. Okay, so unless your dog's a natural catcher, first you have to teach him to take it, and freeze. Good boy. Take it and freeze. Good boy. Good boy. The other thing you need to teach a dog is to catch. So a lot of dogs have to be taught catch. So first you start out with, when they open their mouth, just drop it and say catch. Okay? And then pretty soon it'll be catch. Good boy. Okay, then we'll go catch. Hot. Good boy. And freeze. Good boy. Sit. Okay, teaching a dog to go back. First you get eyes, then sit, then go back, toss the food, and come. And sit. Okay, that's the pattern. Go back. Pretty soon they'll just go back, and then they'll look for the food. When they turn, stay, back, and then come. Good boy. And then sit. Good boy. Sit. Stop, sit. Stay. Catch, stay. Good boy. Catch, sit. Good boy. Get used to it. You can go back further. Catch, stay.